Greetings to all. Your attention, please. I am Mauricio Fernando. I am 32 years old. I am a policeman. I am from Pasto, Nariño. I live in Tunja. I like play soccer and swim. I am studying engineer electronics at UNAT. She is my mother. Her name is Alicia. She is 66 years old. She is a seller. She lives in San Juan de Pasto, Nariño. She loves the dogs and cats. She likes to travel to Popayán. He is my brother Jesus. He is 43 years old. He is a truck driver. He lives in San Juan de Pasto, Nariño. He likes ride motorcycle. He is married with Claudia and they are beautiful girls. He likes ride a bicycle by the road of the city. This is my big brother. He is tall and fat. He is the front of the tractor with me. This is my mother. She is short and thin. Her hair is long and black. To the right of my mother is my sister Viviana. My favorite food is chicken and soup. My favorite actor is the Arnold Schwarzenegger. My favorite actress is Angelina Jolie. My name is spelled is Mauricio. My last name is Banas. Description of the place where I live. This my bed on the left side in the sofa bed. This is the door of the room. On the left side is the window. There are the posters of my favorite scientists are behind the bed. This is my television on the left side in the bathroom. This my television to the right side in the Magi of the Virgin of Guadalupe, and on the left side the Bible. This my sound equipment is below the TV. This is the white cat. On the left is the dog. This is the aquarium in front of the window. This is a bird on the right side of the car. Thank you for your attention. Bye.